Good afternoon, students. This is your mathematics section for grade 7th. So we have completed your second unit fraction, right? So we have completed our second unit. So we are going to revise the second unit. Okay, we are going to revise second unit. Last week also we have revised many of the portions, but many of the students asked doubt, ma'am, how to add. So how to take LCM? How to take LCM like that? Many of the students are asking. So today I am going to teach addition of fraction, addition of unlike fraction. Okay, addition of unlike fraction. You know how to add the like fraction. Like fraction is very simple. You just add the numerator and put the denominator common. So for an unlike fraction, you need to take the LCM. So today we are going to see how to add the unlike fraction. So many of the students are asking this loud. So that I am explaining this. So listen carefully. Okay. So this question is from exercise 2A. Fifth question. Question number F1F. Okay, so this is your question. 6 1 by 4 plus 13 1 by 2 plus 5 by 12. 6 1 by 4 plus 13 1 by 2 plus 5 by 12. This is your question. Okay, so first step is first just convert all the mixed fraction into a improper fraction. So first convert all the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 6 fours are, what is 6 fours are? 6 fours are, yes, very good, 24. 24 plus 1, 25 by 4 plus 13 into 2. 13 into 2 is 26. 26 plus 1, 27. So 27 by 2 plus 5 by 12. So first convert all the mixed fraction into a improper fraction. Okay, improper fraction. Clear? Clear? So the next step is check the denominators. Next step is check the denominators. See whether all the denominators are equal or same. Whether all the denominators are same. No, the denominators are different. Here the denominator is 4, here it is 2, here it is 12. So all the denominators are different. So for that case, we need to take LCM. LCM means least common multiple. We are going to take LCM. Okay. So take LCM for 4, 2 and 12. So take LCM for 4, 2 and 12. Okay. Take LCM for 4, 2 and 12. You all know how to take LCM, right? 4, 2, 12. So first go for 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12. Okay, then again take the 2 table. 1 2 is 2, put the same one, then 3 2s are 6, then 3, 1 1 1. So your LCM is 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 into 2 into 3. This is your LCM. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. So your LCM is 12. So your LCM is 12. So you need to change all the denominator as 12. So we are going to change all the denominator as 12. Okay. So for that we are having a shortcut. Listen carefully. Take the first fraction. Okay. Take the first fraction. So take the first fraction. The first fraction is 25 by 4. So take the first fraction 25 by 4. Just multiply this LCM to that fraction. Okay. Multiply this LCM to the fraction. So 25 by 4 multiply by 12. Okay. 25 by 4 just multiply with this LCM. So if there is any common factor means we can cancel it. Okay. So here we can cancel 4 and 12. 1 4 is 4. 3 4s are 12. 1 4 is 4. 3 4s are 12. So we have cancelled all the numbers. So now multiply the remaining numbers. Okay. So 25 into 3. What is 25 into 3? 5 3s are 15. Balance 1. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So it is 75. Okay. So take the next fraction. 27 by 2. The next fraction is 27 by 2 into, again multiply with the 12. So we can cancel 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12. So 27 into 6 is, So multiply 27 into 6. 27 into 6 is 162. Okay, so 162. So our next fraction is 5 by 12. So now check the denominator. The denominator is already 12. So our LCM also 12. So if you are multiplying with 12, the numerator will not change. We will be getting the same numerator. So 5 by 12 into 12 is, we can cancel 12 and 12. So the answer is 5. We will be getting the same numerator. See the other steps. So other numbers we are getting different numerators. For 5 by 12 we are getting the same numerator because already the denominator is 12. So our LCM also 12. So the numerator will not change. Okay, so we have completed. Now listen. So these are all the new numerators. Numerator means top of the fraction. So these are all the new numerators. So 75 plus 162 plus 5 divided by, you need to write the LCM number. What is LCM? LCM is 12. Just write the LCM 12. Okay, 75 plus 162 plus 5 by 12. Okay, when you are adding this all numbers, you will be getting 75 plus 5 is 80. 80 plus 162. 80 plus 162 is 2. 14 balance on 242. So 242 divided by 12. 242 divided by 12. Okay, can you able to divide this number? So first, if there is any common factor, I mean just cancel each other. Here it is 242, here it is 12. So what is the common factor? The common factor is, yes, we can divide by, yes, 2 table. So 6 2s are 12, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, again 1 2 is 2. So it is 121 divided by 6. It is 121 divided by 6. So this is in the form of improper fraction. So convert it into mixed fraction. 121, 6. So 2 6 are 12. So when you are subtracting, you will be getting the remainder 0, then 1. So 1 we can't able to divide. So put the 0 in the numerator. So your answer is 21 by 6. Your answer is 21 by 6. This is your answer. Okay. So this is addition of unlike fraction. This is the addition of unlike fraction. The first step is first convert all the mixed fraction to improper fraction. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25 by 4. Then 13 into 2 is 26. 26 plus 1, 27 by 2. Then 5 by 12. Now check the denominators. 4, 2, 12. Denominators are different. So go for LCM. Take LCM for 4, 12 and 2. So when you are taking LCM, you will be getting the number 12. Okay. So 12. And then 24 by 4 into 12. First we need to take the main thing is we need to change all the denominator as 12. Okay, for that we will be getting a different numerator. So for one shortcut is there, just take the first fraction 24 by 4 into, take the numerator and multiply with this fraction. 24 by 4 into 12, the answer is 75. Next 27 by 2 into 12 is 162. So 5 by 12 into 12. See, 5 by 12, your LCM also 12. So the numerator will not change. You will be getting the same numerator. So we are getting the answer 5. So these are all the new numerators. 75, 162 and 5. These are all the new numerators. So I am adding all the numerators. 75 plus 162 plus 5 by 12. So your answer is 242 by 12. 242 by 12. So we can cancel by 2 tables. 6 2s are 12. 121 by 6. Again, it is in the form of improper fraction. So convert into mixed fraction and write the answer. So this is the procedure. So I hope you all understand how to add unlike fraction, right? Yes. So next week again we are going to revise second unit. So start studying from today. Okay. Okay. Thank you all. Try this problem in your home. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all.